So peeps, you guys know how I feel about this Casanova missing situation. You understand? Me really and truly not sure. And there are a couple of red flags where kind of go off in my head when I look at certain things. And initially, as I said, I think it's a publicity stunt, but based on the length of time and the police saying that the report was made, I'm still not sure. You understand? But knowing that youth did run a particular artist to pull off one of the biggest stunt in a dancehall, I'm not too surprised. You see me I say? Persons that come out say him missing, some people are say him not dead, some people are say a publicity stunt. We're seeing where an artist, former Magnum rising star Jonah, has said he saw Casinova somewhere in St. Catherine. But me then like to ask Jonah a few questions still. It says Casinova reportedly spotted in St. Catherine, disappearance a publicity stunt. Then Casanova spotted in St. Catherine, disappearance a hoax, says artist Jonah. So please, me go talk about it when I come back. And as I say, I have a few questions I then like to ask Jonah. Then when I circle, I soon forward. Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces, leave a comment, please share the life out of this video, feel free to subscribe for more content, remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video.
Let's do it.
Former Magnum King and Queens winner Jonah has released a diss video on his Instagram page mocking the disappearance of Casanova as a massive publicity stunt. Stop trick the people them and go on like you want to style the thing. Tell the man to go in the studio and go make something if you want boss. I saw you want highlight, I saw you love likes and them thing the bad man. What kind of controversy that? I tell people say you're dead and them thing there. Stop tell lie, me just see a little while. How me not see no family come forward and a ball. Me not see it in the Star Observer nor none of the main media outlet them. So how you know come and tell lie? Jonah said, tell the people them say you want a hit song. At the same thing with they are though. Just try and try again. Alkaline put in contact lenses and now you come fake your death. If you have a real enemy and them kill you, then nothing can come out of it because you don't tell people say you're dead already. All idiot looks know that. He challenged Casinova to a clash whenever he chooses to eventually surface. Just know so whenever you come with what you come with, you have to go clash it out you want. The police are still unsure of the whereabouts of the missing entertainer Casanova. According to detectives of the Portmore CIB who spoke on condition of anonymity, the police is still investigating his disappearance and they are yet to receive any leads as to his whereabouts.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach. Beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So just like Jonah, I have a couple of concerns. He made a few good points. You understand? Yes, we hear say mother made the report. We see one brother will come on somewhere about a place say he is his brother and I say something. Me not even watch it, that's something that's still. Me hear say in girlfriend say some things. Me hear say in farmer manager say something. Me not really too follow up with thing. You understand? Because me say me just get a bad vibes about that thing from day one. You see me? But Jonah, you know, I said a few things. You understand? In a reporting and none of the major media outlets them that I want. The family member them only I said things here and there, but nobody not really ball and a push and a search. See, we see a brother come out and say him and the farmer manager or something say him not feel like him dead and them something cause him want to pack up him documents. Say man a bag of something. So what you know peeps, this is where me have a issue with the Jonah thing, you know. See, me a search the song, me can't find it still. Jonah say him see the youth. See, if me see a youth where the whole country of us missing, anywhere me see him, me must have a phone, me must get a picture, me must get a video, or me must can provide some information as to exactly where me see him, when me see him. Jonah don't do none of that. So there's no picture, there's no video, probably a glimpse him. You understand? But where exactly you glimpse him? Where him did that do? You understand? One him did there. See, so you don't get no picture, you don't get no video. But where him did it? Exactly where him did it. You understand? Or somebody will look like the youth, you see. See? Or is this a publicity stunt from day one by Casinova and Jonah actually pull off a next publicity stunt after the publicity stunt where did they already? You understand? The music business is serious to the people. So you have to take everything with a grain of salt. See? So could it be Jonah pulling a publicity stunt, pan the publicity stunt? Anything possible, because Jonah said him see the youth. Where him see the youth? You see, me have concerns with that. So peeps, as me done tell you for a long time now, one video me do about this already, and I'm not really and truly not even if me go do no more. Cause right now, me can't bother. So Jonah, come chat to you. Where you see the youth? See, when did I do? One him did it. You understand what I say? Where exactly you see him? What exact time you see him? When did I do when you see him? Or come when I see no picture? Or come when I see no video? Or come when I get no address? Or come when I get no location? See, is a publicity stunt I try to pull to? Me no know. Me no know what go on. Moga. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.